Hello guys, this is Karol yet with another affiliate marketing video, and today we're going to look at the best niches for affiliate marketing in 2021 and beyond. Alright, what are the best niches you could possibly go for in your affiliate marketing business? Alright, so if you're just starting out, you want to hear this, you want to know the answer for it, so let's get straight into it. So first of all, we need to determine what do we actually mean by the best niche, right? So the best niche for you personally is the one which you can most relate to, right? You have the most knowledge in, and you can do the best possible work in, alright? You can get the most results from, right? So that's the best possible niche for you personally. And now, what kind of a niche it can be? First of all, I always say to everybody, choose a niche, a category that you have a passion for, right? Or at least a huge interest in, okay? That's the one you're going to be the best version of yourself, the best outcome you can get from this kind of a niche. It doesn't need to be the most popular one. It doesn't need to be the one which has the biggest turnover, right? You can definitely do great in any niche at all, because there is a demand for every category or every niche you could possibly find a product for. So it doesn't really depend on the niche, but it always depends on your ability to promote, to sell the actual products. Okay, so if you're going to choose a niche that you're not really passionate for, you have no interest at all, but you just chose it because it is a popular one, it is I don't know, high converting, all right, or anything like that, you're not gonna do good in it because people will sense that you're not interested in it, therefore they're not gonna buy from you. Okay, don't do this mistake. I've done it in the beginnings when I was starting with affiliate marketing, and I didn't do anything. I wasn't even enjoying it. Okay, so choose something that you're passionate for, or at least you have a huge interest for. Okay, because sometimes we just cannot really choose a passion, or don't really have a passion that huge of a passion that we can choose a product to promote for. So choose something that you have at least a huge interest in. That's the one you're going to do the best thing, okay, the best work, the best results. Now, if you're just undecided on what to actually choose, alright, and you're just starting out and you just want to see, what are the options, what are the most popular ones, and what are the ones that people are always going to be interested in, then here I'm going to show you the top 3 niches in affiliate marketing. It doesn't matter when you're going to watch this video, if it is going to be in 2050, okay, these niches are still going to be valid because these are the evergreen niches, all right? Why are they evergreen? Because all of these 3 are kind of like touching into our primal needs as human beings, all right? And therefore it's kind of like connected to our emotional state, and pretty much if anything goes whatever way, these 3 things are always going to be the ones which we want, all right? So the first one is going to be the fitness niche, all right, or the well-being. So let's just put well-being, all right, well-being. The second one is going to be wealth, all right, wealth, abundance, money and all that business. And the third one is going to be relationship, yeah, relationships, all right. So, excuse my handwriting, hope you can actually see. Yeah, so why are these 3 the top ones? If you think about it, everybody on our planet wants to have all of these 3 things. If you could choose only 3 things in your life to have, you would probably choose somewhere over here, okay? Everybody wants to be fit, everyone wants to be healthy, everyone wants to have the abundance in life. It doesn't necessarily need to be rich, have millions or billions of dollars. It can be, financially free. It can be that you can travel wherever you want and all of that stuff, okay? Wealth. And everybody wants to have that loving relationship with whoever you want, okay? So these three are the top ones. Now, very important thing is to choose a niche, but choose also the sub niche. What I mean by that, be as specific as you can, because when you look at this, well-being is pretty broad term, all right? Here you can have, for example, weight loss. Here you can have even bodybuilding, okay, or body muscle, or whatever it is, body building, okay. Here it can be some diet plans or workouts, okay, workouts and all of that stuff. So be as specific as you can, because if you just choose well-being, right, you can tap into a person who is into weight loss, all right, but you're gonna offer him a bodybuilding product, so you're not gonna succeed with that, right, because he's not interested in it. So be as specific as you can. If you choose weight loss, choose who is it for, all right? Is it for men or women? Is it for women? What kind of women? All right. What is the age, age range of these women? Are they single? Are they married? Are they moms? Are they without kids? Who are they? Be as specific as you can, and that's how you're going to tap into the perfect customer of yours, and that's when you will succeed the best. All right. So be as specific as you can. The same goes to wealth. Okay, here you can have, let's say, crypto. Okay, here you can have affiliate marketing, where I am at the moment. Okay, affiliate marketing. You can have, I don't know, e-shops, Shopify or whatever it is, Shopify. You can have, I don't know, e-shops, okay, or trainings or anything else that comes to your mind, okay, Amazon FBA, okay, whatever else, drop shipping is there, and all sorts of other products that you could possibly come up. Choose again, be as specific as you can. Is it for men or women? Again, you can divide that, okay? Is it for teenagers? Is it for who? Okay, who is it for? Choose that, and that's how you will succeed. Relationships, again, it can be for, who is it for? Is it for a love partner? Okay, do you want a love relationship, or is it something you want, to get better relationships with your parents? Okay, parents. It can be also for maybe other family members, or okay, family. It can be for, I don't know, maybe your peers or whatever it is. Is it, you want to find your love partner? Who is it for? Is it for teenagers? Is it for men? Is it for women? Is it for people who are in their 30s, 40s, 50s? Is it for single moms? Is it for, I don't know, businessmen who are, looking for some love? They already have, some kind of a business stature and they are looking for love. Who is it for? Be as specific as you can. That's how you will succeed, because that's how your customers, your viewers are going to be able to relate to you as much as they can, and you can be as specific to them. You can speak directly to them, and if you will do that, if you will be as specific as you can, you will find the exact pain points, benefits, and exactly what they are looking for. All right, and that's how you're going to make the sales, because they are going to get to you, and you will find those pain points which they are struggling with, and you're going to offer a solution for those pain points. Alright guys, so this is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, hope you got lots of value from it. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it, what is actually the niche that you've chosen. Alright, let me know in the comments below, give me thumbs up if you like the video. And listen guys, if you are interested in starting out your affiliate marketing business and you want guidance, a help, literally step-by-step guidance, an A to Z blueprint on how to actually work in your affiliate marketing business, how to build it and build a business that brings in consistent sales and profits, go ahead, click the link below in the description. You will get full access, completely free, full access to my 4-day video series where I talk about affiliate marketing, how to create it from A to Z, how to bring in the sales, how to create conversion system that converts the traffic you bring in. All right, so if you're interested in that, go ahead, grab it down there, and I will see you inside of it. If not, completely fine. I wish you a great day, and I will see you in the next videos. Alright guys, again, thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye guys.